Alright, so today just going to do a little work on a 65 Mustang. So I'm going to take the tire off here and put on the right one. Alright, let's get on. Okay, so before I put this on tire machine, I'm just going to show you guys a comparison, just in case you run into this problem like I did. Now, notice that this inner ring is bulged inward, and notice that the inner ring is also a lot smaller. Now notice this one, inner ring is a lot wider, and it is sunk in more. And from the edge of the rim is a lot more smaller. So that's a telltale sign right there. This one probably, back in the day when Ford was putting these out, they didn't care because they were using the wider hubcaps that fit perfectly around the outer ring here, versus the one that I'm using, the dog dish hubcap, which will not fit perfectly on that one. So if you want to get yourself some dog dish hubcaps like me, that is something to look out for. Alright, let's get it set up on the old tire machine right here. Alright, if you ever not used one of these, they're pretty old. This came from Barry Ford in Cleveland, but it's no longer in business. So what you do is you take your center, you put it on a shaft right here. Then you take one of the lug nut holes, you put it right on here. And this right here is what locks down your tire, that way you don't fly out. This right here is your bar, and swap the tires. And this right here is what breaks the bead. This right here is a dial for different tire sizes. I don't mess with that. This right here is your air tank. That way you can fill up your tire gauge, pretty wore out. And that right there is your foot pedal to tell the machine to operate and do its functions. And that's pretty much it. So let's get started. So first things first, let the air out. Now I'm going to show you this tool. This will take out your valve stem center. You always put it in a safe area too. I like to put it in the hubcaps. You always get this cone lined up with the center. That way it's perfectly in the center. You lock her down. Okay, time to fire up the air compressor. So once it's fired up and ready to go, I will bring you guys back. Alright, here we go. Now the new one. Why not?
That's what I'm there.
Oh, I can do that too. You take some WD-40, you just spray around there. It just helps out with getting the tire on.
Anyway, you know what's here? Here's the problem. I see right now.
What's up, Mikey?
You gotta put different size. small rim.
Oh.
Now you gotta take all that.
All of it?
Right there.
Alright, sorry you missed a spectacular show, but mine.
Oh, I was talking about where the Mountain Dew.
Might be. It fits perfectly in that cup holder
I
too.
know. Don't show him that.
Alright. Put back on the stem. Put the tools away, air it up to 32 pounds. Did I hit the clip?
Yeah, that one right there. I
I don't think it's working.
don't know if it does work or not. I think I disconnected it. So I just used the
Oh yeah, you got vice grips on it.
yeah. Okay.
Okay, yeah, loosen that up.
Loosen it up so it doesn't. Okay, so now you gotta disconnect it.
Yeah. Alright.
Hope you got the right rim on there.
Yeah, that's the right one. I double checked.
Yep. Exactly. Okay. I'll do it. I'll do it.
There. Alright, 32 pounds. Alright, let's take over the car and mount it up. Okay, to make it easier, before I install the tire, I'm going to put the beauty ring on the ground. Here we go. Now, time to install her. All right. See if she fits. Here we go. That's it. Alright guys, that's it. That's all for this episode. So if you guys like this content, please give a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you would, please. Don't forget to tap the notification bell. That way the algorithm knows that you like this content. Alright, later.